The final one of my questions is why is it very difficult, or at least why is it for me very difficult to control? Like at the moment I'm on a couple, I've tried different kinds of pills, but at the moment I'm on a kind of pill that's supposed to help me focus. And for instance, if I'm doing work or if I'm hanging with friends, for me like it's very difficult and honestly painful because I could be because I'm just trying to hang out with my friends, but then suddenly big, noisy, loud, childish man comes out and starts annoying my friends, but then just seeing their emotional pain, it hurts me. And then if I'm trying to focus on work, but then it's just, oh yeah, I need to be loud now, or I need to try and crack crappy jokes, but it's just I want to focus on this work. I'm running out of time. Why is that a big thing? And what can you think of ways I could fix that?
Yeah. So it's a common thing that people that have ADHD can be very excitable and can be quite impulsive, and they can sometimes say the first thing that kind of comes into their mind, which sometimes with friends make things a little bit difficult.
Yep.
But apologies can go a long way.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's just like one of the key difficulties that can have, and medication can sometimes make a good difference. It doesn't usually, in my experience, normalise symptoms. Often there's still some excitability and some other things that's difficult to control. But yeah, we kind of sometimes think having an ADHD label can be helpful in helping people understand that, rather than that you're just a really annoying person, or it's not like you're intending to be excitable and sometimes a wee bit over the top. It's something that is difficult for you. And I don't know, I think as you get older sometimes you get quite good at recognising, look, I seem to be talking a lot, or I'm getting a bit carried away. Those kind of high risk situations, and just going into it thinking, how might I manage this if it gets a bit tricky, what's my exit plan for a minute to catch my breath, or sometimes people I had a colleague who had ADHD symptoms, and she was quite impulsive, and she asked me sometimes to let her know when she was starting to get carried away.
Yeah, I tell my friends to do that, and instead it's just usually a response of either sitting there because they're either not annoyed, or either they get too annoyed and they forget to politely say.
Yeah. And having a signal that's not obvious to everybody is sometimes quite helpful.
Like it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. But it's just one of the difficulties, and it can make social things quite challenging, eh? Yeah.